Ice doesn't sink because frozen water is built to take up more space. Picture a glass of water freezing from the top. Cold air chills the surface first, so ice forms where the water reaches its freezing point. Now picture water molecules snapping into a rigid crystal pattern, like a crowd locking hands into a shape. That crystal has lots of open space between molecules. Because of that open space, the same amount of water takes up more volume. More volume means lower density. Density is how much mass is packed into a given space. If the mass stays the same but the volume grows, density drops. Lower density lets buoyancy win. Buoyancy is the upward force from the surrounding liquid. When ice has lower density, that upward force becomes greater than the weight of the ice, so ice rises and floats. Here's the key. When water freezes, it expands. The crystal lattice pushes molecules slightly farther apart to create the stable structure. Many other substances behave differently. When they freeze, particles usually pack closer together, density increases, and the solid can sink. In nature, you see the payoff. A pond freezes from the surface, and floating ice acts like an insulating blanket. It slows heat loss, so liquid water stays warmer below. That helps aquatic life survive, and the twist is bigger than insulation. Expansion is why lakes don't turn completely solid each winter. If ice were denser, it would sink, and the cold would spread downward fast, freezing the whole pond and disrupting oxygen and habitat. Remember the chain. Freezing expands water, expansion lowers density, and lower density makes ice float until the next thaw.